Hello, champions. Generally, people say that being a teacher is very easy. I normally don't reply to that because people who say that have never taught any particular student or never mentored any student, or they never appreciated the efforts of their teacher. I have seen both sides of the table. I have been a student, I've been a teacher, and I can tell you, believe you me, being a teacher is not easy at all. What do you think we do? Just stand in front of a bunch of students and start uttering words? Do you think students will believe that? No, they don't. It takes years of hard work and dedication to learn the craft of teaching. Then it takes more years and dedication to devote yourself to the future of students. It's not that simple, it's not that easy that you might think. It's not about teaching just concepts, it's about teaching what is right, what is wrong. Teachers' words have such strong impact in a student's life, you would never know. A teacher once said to me, this is back in 2010, 10 years back, he said to me, the best way to escape a problem is to solve it. I was like, sir, how is this possible? I have given you a question. ये मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, तो I leave it only, no? But now I realize that maybe he was not just talking about that particular question. He was talking about problems in general. But I was too immature to understand at that particular time. So please understand, whenever a teacher is teaching you, you have to appreciate the efforts and you have to be thankful all the time that they are going, out of their comfort zone to make you understand the important things of life. I'll tell you one instance. That instance changed my life. Till 8th grade, I was an okay student in mathematics. I always used to get 90 plus in mathematics because I used to mugify all the formulas and then I simply, solve the sums. In 9th standard, I met one teacher, and on the second day, he explained a very simple concept. Let me tell you what that concept was. He told me that numbers ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8 will never be a perfect square. And I was least bothered to ask, sir, why? But then that teacher only asked me, Vishal, don't you want to know why? I said, sir, yes. Then he just simply replied that, just check the squares from 1 to 10. And if there will be no square which is ending in 2, 3, 7, 8, then it made me curious, sir, why only 1 to 10? Because after 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, every number have the same last digit as 1 to 10. Now, it was a very simple concept. It was a very basic concept. But before this, I never really thought of going this deep. Right? I was like, जो मुझे formula दे दिया, जो मुझे result दे दिया, I was okay with it. That day I realized कि teachers का experience कितना matter करता है एक student की life में. Simply आप एक concept से आप एक formula को या आप एक जो भी result है उसको आप समझ लोगे. But when a teacher explains it to you, बहुत सालों का hard work is behind all that thing. So really appreciate. From that day, I was a completely different person in mathematics. I started scoring hundreds, although it's a 10-point improvement, but that's not the point. I started building my career around maths because I thought I could learn a lot more by just questioning things. Do you understand? एक छोटी सी चीज ने कितना impact create किया? I'm sure आपकी life में भी बहुत सारे ऐसे teachers होंगे जिनकी guidance ने, जिनके words ने अभी तक आपके life के ऊपर impact किया है. So let's just celebrate this day and thank all the teachers from your childhood till today and let them know that they played a huge part in making the person that you are right now. I thank you all, thank all of you to joining me today, and wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day and keep enlightening our paths to all the teachers. Thank you so much.